this is y bar, and this is y hat, which is our best estimate of the true effect between x and y. Much like in the first half of the course, almost all of the regression we're going to do, we're always using samples to learn about the population. I'm not sampling every person's education and income in the country. That would be the population. We're not doing that. We're drawing a sample so this is the best, we call it y hat, it's the best guess at the true effect of x on y. And so then of the 3 points here, in terms of thinking about them, the y minus the y bar is called the total variation. This right here, the y hat minus the y bar, is called the explained variation. Note, because this is where this relationship, this x compared to this y, predicts that for this person here, the model predicts that their income, based on this education level, should be right here. In reality for this person, their income level is not there, it's up there. This is the error in the model. Or that's the unexplained variation for that one person. This is then y minus y hat, which is the unexplained. That's the unexplained variation. Because the model predicts the person should be right here, this income level, in reality, the income's higher. The model fails to correctly explain that person's income. That's the error part, but that's the unexplained income part. This is the explained part, that's the unexplained. That's just for one out, too. But extrapolate that logic to all the points, and that's where you get this, the term r squared. Explained over on total. And one goal is you do a data analysis. You're trying to explain a higher and higher percent of your y. Your aim might be to try to get a higher r squared. Words and simple. Maybe a different x will work better. I have to show it to you 1x and 1y because once you get to 3 and 4 dimensions, it's much harder to sort of explain. You can't do it graphically with this basic idea of x and y. And so now when you go through, and actually go and you deal with creating a model. And I created one for you this past week. A lot of politics going on, so I decided to do it in the world of politics. And I developed some hypotheses. I was curious about